Hello kids. Kids, we will trace alphabet A, B, C, A to Z. Let's learn colors name: green, black, orange, blue, sky blue, yellow, violet, light green, blue color, A, green color, B, purple color, C, pink color, D, red, E, brown, F, violet, G, yellow, H, orange, I, black, J, sky blue, K, green, L, pink, M, red, N, black, O, blue, P, pink, Q, blue, R, yellow, S, orange, T, violet, U, light green, V, sky blue, W, black, X, red, Y, Z, brown. Kids, read again: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.